161. 161 for Findley. 161.
Get fired in water.
That's what I'm talking about right here. This is it right here. Look up, champ.
159.
Oh, 159. Curtis Stevens. 159. That ain't nothing but hard work right there. That ain't nothing but that hard work.
Yo, boy.
Yo.
That's all.
Woo.
I did 2 packs.
Woo. I seen it. He was sweating, man.
Now, this is atmosphere. This is what we've been talking about for ages.
It's going down. It's going down, baby.
Face forward.
It's going down. This is what I'm talking about. Showtime. Showtime. This is what it is right here.
Great, thank you. Curtis, Derrick, I need you guys over here for...
Okay, this is Mr. Valdez to the scale.
$140 fed with Valdez, 140. I hear you.
135.
135 for Carl.
Oh, the one that you got. Face forward.
Look this way.
Thank you.
Over here, guys. Look over here.
$244 for Rosman. 244.
Come on, Huey! Come on! Come on! Come on! Yes! There we go! Subvention way forward! And it's in there! Come on! Boom! 6 match nothing when one's Harry Benny! 239. Smash him! Smash him! Huey! Smash him! Guys, look this way. Go, Rosman. Come on! Huey! Huey! This is way forward.
Huey.
Go now, please. Stay with the camera.
Let's go!
263.
Let's go!
Do the board now.
This is bout number 4. It's a 4-rounder. Bout number 4. It's a 4-rounder.
And now,
Thank you very much.
hey, it's similar to me. You're anybody who's got hair. Come on.
Yeah, I thought she was with us.
We do 4 rounds. Do 4 rounds. Come on.
2, 3, 1.
Wait, exceptionally, so again then.
2, 3, 1.
Oh, you've got no chance. You've got no chance. You're an athlete. Something thing. This way, Bob. What are you doing to be fair? What are you doing?
Stare at the camera. In the camera. Get closer.
Okay, this is bout number 1. It's a 6-rounder, 200-pound max.
Valdez, don't drink anything.
199.
199 for Harris. 199. Over here. Look over here.
Okay, Sharif.
Can you step back a little bit? Thank you.
196.
196. Sharif. Over here. 196. Come on, Jakey.
Can you two do the face off right here? Tony, I'm gonna want you when they're done. Gentlemen, right this way, please.
Gentlemen, right here. Look over here.
And then I want you to picture Tony and Sharif when they're done.
Then for video, guys, right here.
Look at the camera. Fury Ross.
Saturday afternoon, April 20th. Heavyweights return to the Mecca. Undefeated Irish heavyweight Tyson Fury
When I beat Steve Cunningham, are you then going to say he's a bum too?
takes on former 2-time world champion Steve USS Cunningham
Guys who talk a lot, they chumps.
for a chance to be next in line for the world heavyweight title. Plus, Brooklyn's own world-rated power puncher, Curtis Showtime Stevens. Fury, Cunningham, the theater at Madison Square Garden. Tickets on sale now at thegarden.com.